Riwruok moro ma ok mar piny owacho ochako chenro mar chiwo sin ne jogo mamanyo tich kitudogi kod jotelo kod weg kembe e yo ma oyiedhi. Chenro ni geto dino fuok mosebedo e kind jomany tije, weg tije kod kembe mopogore. Kano yawo ayanga chenro ni, jachak riwruok ma kamano Lillian Ngala Network ne ojiwo oganda mondo mi omed bedo gi tudruok makare manyalo kelo negi yuto kata tije. Nyasino noyuorie kod jogo manie lemo mopogore kaachiel kod jogo mamanyo tije. Gilero ni maeri nyalo reso piny Kenya e kinde manitiere nok mag tije.
As a leader, and that's what people often don't realize, leaders do have to step out, isn't it? To go and find how you're doing. And I'll tell you, one of the things I find most interesting is how complex human beings are. So this one you find is motivated by, I dance for them in the morning. This one is motivated for, I bring them coffee. And this one is, ask, how was your family? Isn't it? You know, you can see the leaders nodding. You can see the one you have to dance for every day just to make them happy. Your ability to get this person to work for you with such desire to help you succeed is absolutely critical. And that's the operational networking level.
Developing individuals, creating a forum whereby we can interact and create meaningful, impactful relationships. Most of the time, we tend to think of seminars, how we can grow one another. And HR fellow practitioners who are here, I want to challenge you, because it's never about the seminars and the trainings and all that. At times what people lack is just somebody to hold their hands. Somebody to just tell them, I have your back. You are doing it, you can do it. I'm here to mentor you, I can coach you, I can see the potential in you. That forum where we can create meaningful conversations, impactful relationships, that is what LNN is all about.
Sirikal kaunti ma Kitui koro biro tayo chenro mage duto